arrived? I thought I'm the last person to show up. Where are the others?
Nah, here early. They haven't arrived yet.
Indonesian.
As if you're not one of us.
I am, but I...
Guys! Sorry, we stopped at the mini market to buy something.
Nah, that's fine.
Are you guys talking about? Seem serious?
Nah, nothing.
Nah, nothing. Didn't you just babbling a few seconds ago?
That's because...
Hey, stop it. Can you guys stop arguing for once? We don't have much time to record our video. Let's go, chop chop.
Right, sorry.
Forget it. Let's get this done quickly.
Agree, I'm in hurry. I'm going to have dinner with my family at 7 sharp.
Alright guys, hurry!
A few moments later.
That was tiring.
Shall we get some drinks?
Yes.
Hey, aren't you in a hurry?
Aren't you fasting?
Wait, what time is it?
This is a 5:15. Why?
I'll be going at 6 then.
Aren't you fasting?
I'm Chinese, bro, remember?
You should look at your face.
Shut up! Who goes to buy?
Of course you. It's your idea.
Can someone come with me?
I will. Come on.
Anyone else wants a drink?
One please.
Alright, come on Mike. There's someone selling sugarcane water on here.
Oh yeah, that will be great.
Let's find it!
Don't forget mine.
A few moments later.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Hey, thanks. How much for this?
No problem, it's on me.
Really? Sure, but I'm gonna pay this back someday.
You don't have to.
You can tell me what to do.
Thanks. Is this free too?
No, I paid for it. It's 8,000 rupiah.
Nah, it's a pleasure to work with you. Shut up before I stop your place.
Thank you, Pipa.
Yeah, no worries. Hey, that's not fair.
I don't care.
How dare you?
How dare you? Pipa, where's your drink? I'm fasting. Oh my god. Are you sure?
Yes.
Anyways, I wonder which group will get the highest score.
It's probably ours.
That's a very confidence of you.
That's called being optimist. Right, look how much we've prepared. At least we'll get into the nomination.
I shall remind you, this is not Grammy Awards.
I know, but you get the point, don't you?
Wow. I'm recharged now.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive
What?
side eye.
What did you just throw?
Rubbish?
So?
So what?
Do you realize what you've just done?
What?
Bro, you just later.
So, what's wrong with that?
What's wrong, you say?
Hey, what's that?
Now listen carefully. Do you know what's the impact of your action?
I know, I just don't care.
I'm trying so hard not to drown you into the river.
What's the matter? I'm not throwing a bag of it, just once.
Not you, just littering after we've just recorded a video about environmental care. That's not the point. If 100 people talk like you, what will happen?
More rubbish?
Exactly. So, what's the conclusion?
I don't know.
Then let me explain to you. According to data of the National Disaster Management Energy, or BNPB, there were 564 natural disasters even in Indonesia from January 1st until 7 March 23. Of these floods occurred most frequently with a total of 233 accidents. This number is equivalent to 41.32% of the total national disaster even in that period.
Why should I know about that?
Generally, the main causes of flooding are high intensity of rainfall or high tides. But mostly, the cause of flooding is due to human activities. For example, inappropriate land use, throwing the bag into river like what you just did, and settlement on riverbanks and so on.
Oh.
Now, it might not be a problem if it was you alone who did this among billions of people in this world. But what if 100 people in this world have the same thought with you? At least 100 of plastic would pollute the river. Not to mention those who throw a bag of garbage in the river. But the water flow will sure get blocked and eventually cause flooding and water quality pollution. Don't you see the river get turbid and dirty?
I see. Is there anything that we can do to overcome this issue?
As simply as don't litter. Keep your trash until you find a proper place to throw it.
That's it? Anything else?
Yes, clogged drains must be cleaned. But because this is a river, it is difficult for us to clean by ourselves. We need lots of hands to work on this. So, the best option comes from ourselves, which is
Do not litter?
Good boy. Now, pick up your trash, please. Throw it into the rubbish bin.
Alright, but first, please let me go. How can I supposed to pick the trash when you guys tie me up?
See? It's easy as that.
Yeah, it look better now.
Oh, did you see that?
see what?
That old lady just threw trash in a river.
Are you serious?
I'm not lying. Look, she's about to throw another trash in the river. We should stop her.
I don't think we should.
Why?
Instead of listening, she would slap us with the trash instead. Yeah, emak-emak in Indonesia is another level. Don't mess with them.
I don't care. You guys behave like cop, interrogating me like I am criminal. But you scared an old lady? Unbelievable.
Should we stop him?
Excuse me, ma'am.
What?
Do you know what's the impact of your action just now?
Where is this? Where are you going, little bird? How dare you kidnap an old woman?
No, before I tell you, what?
The man.
Yes, clock drains must be cleaned, but because this is a river, then it's difficult for us to step in without the help from the others. So, the best option comes from ourselves, which is... ngomong lah.
Yeah. Bilang 3 lah.
So we are from Group 1. Thank you so much for watching us and
See you